We're done with the wedding. It's time to eat. Here's the rest of the family. Come get drunk. Look, there's a menu on the table.
There's nothing.
Okay.
Shark fin soup.
Shark soup?
Shark fin soup.
We're gonna eat some shark, man. Shark.
Lobster, beef, Chinese, broccoli. What app?
What are you looking forward to eating?
Nothing.
Here's the menu.
Hi, Catherine. Come here. Oh, you want to sit with us? Where's your mom?
Okay.
That's okay.
Can you read this to me?
Read it. I can't read it.
Who eats shark fin soup? It's gross. Oh, it's cold.
Here it is, the first course. The shark fin soup.
Hot damn. What hot damn? Hot damn.
Cool. Alright, put it in the envelope.
Mình nhâm một cái. Quay vòng one, two. Say something. Back up.
It's like all slimy.
Hey everyone, David A. Qua here. Hashtag Andrew. And my godson Joseph here. We're gonna try the shark fin soup. Alright.
Good.
Here is a dinner menu for Aaron and Riley's wedding. First thing is shark fin soup. Alright, now we've tried to
Most
try
excited for the special fried rice.
I'm excited for that right there.
the ginger lobster. I'm actually excited for the sweet and sour chicken.
Oh. I didn't expect it to be like that.
Hey, what is this?
Oh yeah, what is this?
Golden quail.
The golden quail.
Có ai ăn chép chưa? Ăn đi. Xin ăn đi. Mình bỏ
Well, have one. I have to dare myself to try every single one of these.
Yeah, just pick one.
The leg.
Nha. Bỏ đây cho mẹ. Mấy đứa con đây đi con.
Should I just put this straight on my plate?
Yeah. Alright, bon appetit.
Very bony.
Very bony.
Yeah.
Bon
A lot of bone.
appetit.
Try it, it's like chicken.
Wait,
Look at those thin little wings.
it's creepy.
Whoa, whoa, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Ăn cái bụng.
Look, there's feathers.
Quay con người. Hay quá, hay quá. Ăn nó đi.
Did you eat it yet?
Where?
Just eat it like a chicken. How does it taste?
First try of the golden quail.
The golden quail.
Bữa nào bớt chứ bữa nay.
That's really good.
Mày bớt cho được.
Cool. Alright, I'm gonna eat some too. Golden quail, huh? Tastes like chicken?
A little bit.
Better than chicken?
No. Tastes like
Here, let's have a picture.
Pictures.
No, you are the queen. Khoa quay hả?
Alright, yeah. Here, Tom, get in. yeah. Scoot in. Scoot in. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, looks good. Here. Cheers. What the heck is going on? The ginger lobster, here it is. But we skipped the seafood bird's nest and the sweet and sour chicken. What the heck's going on?
Yeah. It's so good.
Yeah, well, I think this is better than the other ones. Here. Dig in, dig in. I'm gonna take this piece.
What?
Take this claw right here.
Dig in with what?
Yeah, get the claw.
Eat this. Cho em cái fork kìa.
How is it?
Bro, it's so good.
I think they moved it up. I think we will get the bird's nest and the sweet and sour chicken. This comes people want the lobster. Yeah. And all that meat, that lobster meat.
Em good em. Good. Good. Good em. Thank you em.
Oh, you're not supposed to eat that.
Like this. Để mẹ lấy.
Ow!
Em don't know how to eat.
1, go. Okay, first bite. How is it? How's the lobster? Tastes like chicken?
No.
Better than chicken? Yeah? Okay. Gotta love that lobster.
So good.
Man, look at that lobster. Look at that lobster. Oh, yeah. Look at that big, huge piece of lobster right there. Okay, I'm gonna try to eat this piece right here. Try to eat this piece. Oh, man. Here. It's better if it's one big piece, but... Look at that big piece of meat. Look at that big piece of meat right there.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that one. Gotta have that lobster.
Bird's nest.
Menan! Look, the bird nest.
Okay. Hold on. What does it say? That's the night really good.
I think I'm good on this one.
Okay, we are, now we're eating the seafood bird's nest.
I got a stick out of the nest.
I think there's a little more better stuff on there. Look, I see shrimp. I see some vegetables. I see little baby corns.
The sticks are good.
Okay, the nest itself. Still trying to finish up the lobster. Oh man.
Ford.
Okay, we got pieces of the bird's the bird's nest right here.
No shrimp, no nothing.
Like it? Good food, man. Good food.
I really don't.
I'm gonna have more of the lobster.
Good.
There's like some crab meat right there. Mushrooms?
Oh man, I really don't like mushrooms. Try it.
You'll like these.
I tried the thing, but they were too scared to try it.
Alright.
There's an egg?
Hey, wasn't bad. Sweet sour chicken, I think.
No, that's the beef.
No, the beef Chinese broccoli.
The beef and broccoli? Why? Where the heck is the sweet and sour chicken? I've been waiting for that. Okay, beef and broccoli. Dig in. You go first. Okay, beef and broccoli. Let's try some of the beef part of it. Good? Alright, cool.
Broccoli.
How about the broccoli?
Cho ít thôi, miếng bé thôi. Oh, like celery.
Oh, it's celery?
No, it's like this part. It's just beef and...
Yeah, đây cái cho như là một.
Cái này nó gọi là cải làn đấy phải không?
And this.
It looks like spinach or something.
So this stuff.
Cool. Let's try some of this.
Good?
Fish?
Sweet sour chicken, man.
That can't be a sweet and sour chicken. Look like what's sweet and sour chicken to you? That's a fish. That's a surprise.
There is no fish.
Yeah, it's just a surprise.
It's the special fried rice.
Can't be. There's no rice on the freaking thing.
What is that thing?
It's an extra.
Flounder.
Wow, flounder.
Where?
Flounder.
It's not on the menu.
And you get the dessert. What's that?
Not on the menu.
Yeah, but let's eat anyway. The flounder.
Chicken though.
Better than chicken.
I like it better than chicken.
So this is the flounder. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1.
I think this one's supposed to be the sweet and sour chicken. Sweet and sour flounder.
Sweet and sour chicken.
Fish and chicken. They got it wrong. Or maybe this is chicken.
No, it's the sweet and sour flounder.
Good.
Why I say chicken then?
Better than chicken.
The fried rice. It's on its way.
You got the special fried rice, boy.
Wow, it's so special.
I know, it doesn't look like exactly like the ones we have at Thanksgiving.
Wow, so special, guys.
Fried
Guys, this reminds me of a
rice.
store-bought fried rice. I could go and buy this for $5. Exactly like this. It's
But
special.
it's free right now.
Okay, go dig in. You've been waiting for it since the beginning.
I need a spoon.
Use your fork.
Look at Charlie over there.
Yes. You didn't get a new plate? Wait, they never mind.
Hey, use the spoon that they came with.
Yes. But it costs like some bacon. It's not bacon.
Gà đi trong là the best ở đây.
He's been waiting for the fried rice the entire time. All this lobster, quail, flounder, all he cares about is fried rice. Look at him. Look at him. Look at my shiny bald head. You can see the reflections on there. Is it good? Was it worth the wait? Oh man. This is my cousin Helen. This is my cousin Andrew.
Hashtag Andrew.
Hashtag Andrew. And this is my cousin Joseph. He's also my godson. Alright, we just saw the dessert. We don't want none. What is it? The special dessert at the end?
Oranges.
Just orange slices. We are full.
Yes, I have
What was your favorite food in the menu?
special fried rice.
Mine was the lobster. What about you, Vlad?
I think the lobster too.
Special fried rice for me.
Alright, so that is the menu from Riley and Aaron's wedding. Yeah, everyone's in. Get in the shot. Get in the shot, everyone. Get in the shot. Oh man, Clark Art right here, everyone. Clark Art.
Hey, Victor.
Oh, it's gonna be a screenshot later on. Goodbye, everyone.
Peace.